Today we'll be going over The Secret Garden, vocabulary and story elements, chapters 18 and 19. The next day, Mary met Dickon in the garden. He had a squirrel in each pocket, and they decided to visit Colin the next morning. Dickon and Mary visited Colin. Did Dickon and Mary visit Colin? Yes or no? Yes, Dickon and Mary visited Colin. Mary told Colin she had found the key, but he had to keep it a secret. Dickon brought a newborn lamb, a little red box, and a squirrel on each shoulder into Colin's room, and Colin was amazed. He held the lamb and enjoyed the 2-hour visit with his two friends. Dickon and Mary visited Colin. Did Colin enjoy the visit? Yes or no? Yes, Colin enjoyed the 2-hour visit with two friends. Let's move on to our story elements. Can you name one of the 3 characters in this chapter? Yes, Mary is one of our characters in this chapter. Can you name another character? Yes, Colin was another character. Can you name the last character? Yes, Dickon was our last character in this chapter. Let's move on to our setting. Do you know where the story is taking place? Yes, the manor in England. The story is still taking place at the manor in England. Do you know the problem of this chapter? Yes, Colin was alone in his room. Do you know how we solved that problem? Yes, Dickon and Mary visited Colin. That's all for today. Don't forget to do your exit ticket at the end. Until next time.